Alright, welcome back to another lesson of today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improvise gospel songs, okay? How you can improvise over a gospel song, okay, to sounds better and sounds cool, okay, as a beginner or intermediate guitarist, okay? So make sure you stick tight to the video to the end. Make sure you don't miss any part of this video, okay? So you don't miss out anytime I'm going to show anything I'm going to show you, okay? Alright, so many of you have been asking me how you can improvise over a song, how you can get rhythm over a song. So it's not that hard, okay? It's just for you to know the basics, okay, which I'm going to share in this video. So if you know that is the first time you come across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? And if you like this video, do well to smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, do well to hit on the comment section. Yeah, I'm going to give you a response. We will reply as soon as possible. If you want to join my online class, it's a personal class. It's not a free class, it's a payable class, okay? You can chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and let's move straight into the video. Alright, so I will play a song, then I will improvise over. Okay, now this improvisation, you can also, use it in any song you come across. Some basic way you can, improvise as well. You're going to sound nice, still sound better, okay? So let me play this song for you guys so we improvise over. I know many of you know this song. Glory and honor, power, majesty belongs to God. Amen. Glory and honor, power, majesty. Okay, I make the record in the key of E.
Glory and honor, power, majesty, be unto God. Glory and honor, power, majesty, be unto God. Glory and honor, power, majesty, be unto God.
So, okay, so now, like you just heard how what I played there, it's very simple. So, if you come across songs like that, at first, what you have to do is start off with your major seventh, with your seventh chord, okay? Okay, so the chord progression of that song is do, glory and honor, power, majesty, sol, va, sol, do. I know many of you know the song, okay? Glory and honor, power and majesty be unto God, amen. I know many of you know the song. So I'm improvising it using the 7th chord, okay? So I start by playing the song is I play the song in the key of E. This is E. Okay, so that's the key of E. So first learn the key perfectly, okay? So I start by playing my E7 chord. Okay, so for many of you that don't really know the E7, this is your root, your third, and your 7th, and your flat 7th, which is Do, Mi, Do, Mi, Do, okay? I play the same thing, okay? That will be from the E7 to the E flat 7. Okay, I just play the Do, Mi, Do in the E flat 7, and that will be Si, Mo, La in key of E. To be Ti, Mo, La in the key of E. The key of E flat will be Do, Mi, Do again, okay? Then I hold my saw chord like this, starting from the root So, Ti, Re, So, Ti, So, Re, So, Ti. Okay, sorry. Then to my Va. The Va now, this is the A chord, A straight chord, okay? So I play 8/7, adding this note. That note will be more in the key of E. Okay, but it's a flat 7 in the key of A, okay? That kind of A7 chord, okay? Okay, that's a A7 to the so that's the first part. So when you come across songs like that, that's how you can improvise the sounds more better. Glory and honor, all of majesty, give unto God. Okay, that's the first part. So the second one, I make some melody there. So I play. I use my major scale to make some melody. Okay. So, la, ti, do, re, mi, so. Okay. That is it. You all have to practice stuff like that. This is a key of E again, okay? You have a key of E. So you can just play within this shape. A lot of ways you can improvise, okay? So I want you to practice this at first. I'm going to make the part 2 of this video, so make sure you practice this and watch the end, okay? And make sure you stick tight and turn your notification bell so you watch the part 2 of this video. I don't want to make it more longer than this, okay? All right, see you guys in the next video.